Welcome aboard the stunning Disney Destiny. My name is Taylor, and today we'll be exploring a deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with Navigator's Verandah and covering everything you need to know to prepare for your next cruise. Before booking, be sure to contact the Vacationeer for bonus onboard credit on top of Disney offers, in addition to exclusive rates, group cruises, and more. Reach out today to see what you're missing and secure the best value in cruising. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in and tour the room. As you enter the stateroom, you'll find a wall of storage on one side, and on the other, you'll find the temperature control unit, as well as the entrances to the two-door split bathroom configuration. This separates the bathroom areas, but provides two sinks, which is a great addition compared to some other cruise line options. The first space features a sink, a backlit mirror, and some towel hooks. Although storage options are somewhat limited, there is open storage in the corner, under the sink, and next to the backlit mirror. The second bathroom space features a shower tub combo with an adjustable shower wand and a good-sized tub for families. The sink area has a second backlit mirror, some open shelving, no drawers down below. Mounted on the door is also a large mirror to check your pirate costume out before heading out to pirate night. Across from the split bathroom, you'll find the primary storage for the room. One side features hanging storage, shelves perfect for those packing cubes, and the room safe. The other closet space features full-length hanging storage as well as a shelf up top to store any other items away. All veranda categories are equipped with a queen bed topped with a premium plush Eurotop mattress. This sits on an elevated wood frame with tons of room to tuck your bags or large items away. One side of the bed has a small side table, a Euro plug with USB and USB-C ports built into it for charging. The opposite side has two US plugs and two USB-C ports, and the same side table to tuck small items away. In front of the bed, there's a large flat panel TV with a wide variety of free on-demand content including Disney, Pixar, Marvel, and Star Wars movies, along with Disney Channel, Junior shows, ABC, and ESPN. They also provide ship-specific channels with daily schedules, port adventure previews, a bridge cam view, and guest activity highlights. The living area includes a large sofa and a Pullman-style bed, as well as a large desk area with additional drawers and open storage. Sleeping up to 4 passengers, you would have 2 on the queen bed, 1 on the couch bed, and 1 on the Pullman. To provide separation for sleeping areas, this room features a heavy privacy curtain in case one of the kiddos is taking a nap or dad just wants to take a nap in the afternoon. Directly across, there's ample storage, a vanity desk with complimentary hairdryer, a backlit vanity, a magnifying mirror, and several outlets including Euro, 2 US plugs, and 2 USB-C plugs. The desk area also includes multiple drawers and a beverage cooler. Quick tip, on top of the vanity you'll find some lighting controls, and this is where you will find the switch for that outdoor veranda. Stepping outside to the veranda, you'll find it's furnished with 2 chairs and a small coffee table. This is the perfect spot to enjoy stunning views and breathtaking sunsets at sea. Keep in mind these Navigator verandas have slight obstructions just because the shape of the ship and often have a metal curve on one side, but they can be a really good value to capitalize on getting a veranda at a slightly lower cost. And as we all know, the stateroom is just one part of the onboard experience. With a variety of included entertainment, specialty restaurants, and upgrades, there's something for everyone. And to help you get more from your cruise, the Vacationeer offers exclusive onboard credit deals that you won't find when booking directly with the cruise line. Contact the Vacationeer today to get the best value in cruising.